Welcome to the dynamic tech world. We launched a new platform on which you can install many GPL plugins and themes for free. But before we start, don't forget to subscribe and buy us a coffee. So let's get started. Simply go to any web browser and search DTW Asset. Click on the first website, which is DTW Asset, Digital Asset. A message pops up asking you to disable the ad blocker if it's enabled. I simply deactivate mine for a smooth experience. After that, you can see there are lots of categories present in the header. On this website, you can download GPL licensed WordPress plugins and themes for free. Simply search on homepage like Elementor Pro. Here are the top results. You can also navigate to a specific page of the plugin or theme from here. Additionally, keep in mind that searching for a plugin on the WordPress theme page may not yield accurate results. Some themes in WordPress require additional installations in the form of plugins, known as add-ons. For example, Astra Pro. Astra is a theme, but for Pro feature, you should install Astra Pro add-ons and add them to the plugins section of WordPress. Note, all add-ons of WordPress theme always install as a plugin in the WordPress. Steps to download asset from DTW Asset. Open the plugin or theme you want to install. Scroll down and click the Download Now button. If you're redirected to another page, simply close the tab. Click Download Now again and ensure that the correct platform, Hypershort, opens in a new tab. Scroll down, wait a few seconds, then click Continue. If any download button appears, do not click it. Wait for 10 seconds, then click the Generate Link button. Scroll down again and click the Get Link button. Scroll down and click on the Go to Link button. You will be redirected to the DevUploads page. On DevUploads, scroll down, wait a few moments, and then click the Generate Download Link button. Wait while the download link is being generated, then click Go to Generated Link. Finally, click Download Now to start the download.